What's going on, guys? In this quick video I'm gonna talk about Robinhood Gold. What it is, how it works, and whether or not I think it's worth the cost of it. If you are not familiar with your Robinhood app, you definitely wanna check out other videos where I explain the Robinhood app, so you can get the Gold background understanding of these apps, of these investing apps. But if you do have the Robinhood app, I'm sure you haven't seen Robinhood Gold as the options of their apps. So let's just talk about what is real quick and how much it costs, and some of the pros and cons of this Gold membership that they offer. So here's the big things about Robinhood Gold. It's essentially a margined account because Robinhood needs lends you money, and it lets you leverage your buying power, and so they call it gold buying power. And see, what's really interesting is that they are doing something that I haven't seen any broker firms do, and to be honest, this may be a revolutionary idea that Robinhood has come up with, and this idea is that instead of charging you an interest rate when you borrow money from them to buy a margin, they instead charge you a monthly fee that allows you to buy on margin and increase your buying power by thousands of dollars. And so this fee that they charge, for example, if you want to increase your buying power to say 1000, Robinhood would charge you $6 per month, and there's no more fees on top of that. There's no more interest you have to pay on top of that, as you would with the traditional broker. Now Robinhood Gold also comes with some really cool perks. First of all, your trade are still free, so you're never gonna pay transactions fees. But one of the best features about the Robinhood Gold is that you have the ability to trade during the extended hours, and this is something that is really making me consider seriously consider that getting in Robinhood Gold memberships. And I know you can trade extended hours with this some other brokers, but their free transactions really make up for those few dollars that you pay for the Gold memberships per month. So with the extended hours, you will be able to trade 30 minutes before markets open, and 2 hours after markets close every single day, which can be very nice considering that most companies release their earnings at market close or at market opens. And so you will get some more perks with the Robinhood Gold membership. There's a couple more. You can get instant access to funds deposited into your account with a traditional account. You might need to wait a few days for your funds to settle both with the Gold accounts, and you can trade right away. So here Robinhood Gold something that you should consider in getting into. Well, here's the things: without a doubt, anytime you are borrowing money, your risk factor is going to increase significantly. So if you are going to be buying stocks on the margins by the borrowing money from Robinhood, just make sure that you absolutely have enough money to cover off for the money that you are borrowing. Because if your life savings is the $1,000 and you dump all of it into the stocks market and borrow money, then the stocks goes down, you're basically screwed. So just make sure you have enough money to afford these losses that could be incurred if something really terrible happens. The market crashes and suddenly you have a margin calls and you have to come up with the money. So overall, I don't think I would suggest margin trading. I wouldn't suggest Robinhood Gold for the purpose of the margin trading. For most people, I don't do it myself. I don't trade on a margin. It's pretty risky, but if you are really are confident in yourself and you have a lot of the experience then I would say go for it. It's a pretty cool program. I haven't had any issue with the Robinhood so far. Let me know in the comments sections below though if you have any issues with the Robinhood, because I know I have certainly heard people saying some bad things about Robinhood, but overall I have had a great experience with them, and I think I'm just gonna try out the Gold membership just for those extended hours, and maybe I will be dabble around a little bit with the margin tradings, just the basic $6 per month margin tradings. Well, we will see about that, but I will update you on that and let you know what's going on with that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Any questions, leave down below, and I will see you next time.